Hey everyone, welcome back. The parent company of WhatsApp has started rolling out a new feature called Meta Verified for WhatsApp business accounts. So what exactly is Meta Verified? Well, it's a subscription service that aims to verify the credibility and authenticity of businesses on Meta-owned platforms including Instagram, Facebook, and now WhatsApp. Starting in Brazil, India, Indonesia, and Colombia, businesses using WhatsApp business app can now apply for Meta Verified status. When you see that Meta Verified badge next to a business, it means they have registered their information with the Meta. But what's in it for businesses? First off, businesses with Meta Verified status get enhanced account support. That means better assistance and protection against impersonation. Plus, they can use WhatsApp across multiple devices. But wait, there is more. Meta is also working on a feature that allows normal users call largest business directly on WhatsApp, in case you need to discuss a complicated travel request or open a new account with your bank. So that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates.